Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome to GlobeTech GH. If you're new here, kindly subscribe, like, and share the video. And please don't forget to turn on the notification bell for any other new tutorial that I will be posting. And please, if you're old here and you haven't subscribed, please I beg you subscribe, like, and share my content too. On this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the mashup social media data on any other side. The mashup is meant for only WhatsApp. You cannot use it on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook. It's meant for WhatsApp. But this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to use it on other sites apart from WhatsApp. And this one, if you want to buy a normal data on MTN, like 3 series or 3 series, you will get 470 megabytes. It's not up to 1 gig. But this tutorial, you will use 1 CD 40 pesos to get 1 gig, and you can use it on other side. So let me show you how to do the mashup first. So just follow the process. Okay, now I'll finish with the mashup data bundle. So after you have finished, this one is only meant for WhatsApp only. So what we are going to do that will enable us to use it on other sites. So that's what I'm coming to teach you now. So what you will do is that you go to Play Store and download Anoniton VPN or Anoniton tunnel. So let me circle it for you to see the app that I'm talking about. This one, Anoniton tunnel. You just open your Play Store and search for Anoniton tunnel. The first app that will appear, that's it. You just tap on it and install. So after the installation, you open it. Okay, then you tap on still settings, this one. Still settings. So here, like, you turn on the still tunnel on or off. The first one, still tunnel on or off. You turn it on. Then here you put 443 there. Then after that, you come to edit SSL settings. Edit SSL settings. You tap on that one too. Then here you are going to untick the true SSL into bracket anti-DPI. You are going to untick it. So untick it. So you untick it. Then you take spoof SNI host. Then you stick spoof host port. You stick that one too. So after that, the spoof host, you are going to type rep.whatsapp.com. That the spoof host, you type the rep.whatsapp.com. Then the spoof port, so you type in, that will be 443. Then after that you press on OK, then you just save it. You are finished. So the next thing is that then after that you tap on the connect. Then if it connects, like you see a key on top of where the network port is, you see a key there. Okay, have you seen the key? It has appeared there. It means that it has connected. So let's try our YouTube and see whether it will come or not. Okay, as you can see, YouTube has come, so it means that it's working. So if you try with any other site, it will work for you. So this is the end of the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and turn on the notification bell. But please comment for me to know that whether it's working for you or not, and it will enable me to know how to make my next tutorial. So please, thank you. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.